Good morning. Today my group and I would like to discuss about reading comprehension 2. The title of the text is The Reproductive System. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri as moderator in this group. And in this group there are my friend.
My name is Erina as the first speaker.
My name is Sabila as second speaker.
My name is Nurhainin as the third speaker.
My name is Linda as the last speaker.
Okay, and the first part is going to be explained by Erina. Erina, time and place is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Erina. Now I try to describe about the reproductive system in male and female. We can see in the picture, in the human reproductive system, there are many differences, and the working of the human reproductive system itself are the male reproductive system consists of two major parts: the testes, where sperm and produce, and the penis, according to Merck manuals. The penis and urethra belong to both the urinary and reproductive system in male. The testes carried in an external pouch known as the scrotum, where they normally remain slightly cooler than body temperature to facilitate sperm production. The external structure of the female reproductive system include the clitoris, labia minora, labia majora, and Bartholin gland, according to the Cleveland Clinic. The major internal organ of the female reproductive system include the vagina and uterus, which act as the receptacle for semen, and the ovaries, which produce the female's ova. The vagina is attached to the uterus through the gland, while the fallopian tubes connect the uterus to the ovaries in the response to hormonal change. One ovum or egg or more in the case of multiple birth is released and sent down to fallopian tube during ovulation. If not fertilized, this egg is eliminated during menstruation. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you Erina. The next part is going to be explained by Sabila. Sabila, time and place is yours.
Good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Sabila. Now I try to explain about the main idea on this text. The main idea of the first paragraph is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction, both hormones and pheromones. The system of organs includes with the reproduction of an organism, especially sexual reproduction. And the main idea of the second paragraph is the major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species, and the other function is to reproduce egg and sperm cell to transfer and transcend the cell to nurture the developing of spring to produce hormones. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Sabila. The next part is going to be explained by Hanin. Hanin, time and place is yours.
Okay, thank you, Putri. Now I'm going to explain what this table means. There are female reproductive system parts. The first one is ovary. Ovary is for produce egg cells. The second one is uterus. Uterus helps support the fetus during pregnancy. The third is vagina. Vagina is for sexual intercourse, which can lead to fertilization, pregnancy, and vaginal birth. It also channels menstrual flow out of the body. which occurs in human and closely related primates as part of the monthly menstrual cycle. The last one is egg. Egg necessary is for reproduction called the ova or oocytes. The one more is male reproductive system part. The first, there are testes. Testes produce sperm and testosterone. The second one, there are penis. Penis useful to passageway for sperm and urine. The third, there are sperm cells. Is to pass on necessary biological information required to produce a new organism. The last one, there are vas deferens, is a place for transport sperm cells from epididymis, where the sperm are stopped prior to ejaculation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Hanin. The next part is going to be explained by Linda. Linda, time and place is yours.
Thank you, moderator. My name is Linda. Now I try to answer the questions based on the text. Questions number 1. What is a reproductive system? And the answer is the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. We can see the answer in first sentence of the first paragraph. Number 2. Mention some important accessories to the reproductive system. The answer is fluids, hormones, and pheromones. We can see the answer in third sentence of the first paragraph. Number 3, what does it refer to in sentence line 5, paragraph 1? The answer is sexual reproduction. We can see the answer in last sentence of the first paragraph. Number 4, what is the major function of reproductive system? The answer is to ensure survival of the species. We can see the answer in first sentence of the second paragraph. And last, number 5, mention the other 4 functions of reproductive system: to produce egg and sperm cell, to transport and sustain these cells, to nurture the developing offspring, and to produce hormones. We can see the answer in last sentence of the second paragraph. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Linda. The discussion has been finished. Now I would like to convey the conclusion of the text. It can be concluded that the reproductive system is a system of sex organs. Sexual reproduction consists mainly of the ovaries, uterus, and vagina in females, and the testes and penis in males. The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species, and the other function is to produce eggs, and sperm cells, to transport and sustain these cells, to nurture the developing offspring, and to produce hormone. That's all from us. Thank you for your nice attention.